Hello,
Hello.
where do you study?
I study at Harvard Business School.
Which year are you in?
I'm in my first year.
How far is your school from your home?
It's about 5 kilometers away.
How do you go to school?
I go by bicycle.
What time does your school start?
It starts at 8 o'clock in the morning.
When does it finish?
It finishes at 3:30 in the afternoon.
What subjects do you like the most?
I like English and business the most.
Why do you like those subjects?
Because they are interesting and I understand them well.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mr. John.
Why do you like him?
He explains everything clearly and is very kind.
Do you like your classmates?
Yes, they are very friendly and helpful.
What do you do during lunch break?
I eat my lunch and talk with my friends.
What games do you play at school?
I play football and badminton.
Do you have any school clubs?
Yes, we have a business club and a music club.
Which club do you belong to?
I'm in the business club.
What do you do in your club?
We make small business projects and do experiments.
Do you enjoy going to school?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
What do you dislike about school?
Sometimes the homework is too much.
How do you prepare for exams?
I review my lessons and practice past papers.
What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a businessman.
Why do you want to be a businessman?
Because I really like business. And I want to manage my father's company in the future.
Wow, that's really cool and interesting. I wish you success in achieving your goal.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, I have class now. See you later.
See you.
Thanks for watching.